Hey y'all, we are back with another video. If you are new, welcome. This is Everything Business, DIY, and Fashion. Today we are opening up something very special. Excuse us, we look crazy, but it's okay. We love to give you guys real and raw content, okay? We've been shipping out orders all day. We are not really feeling it, looking cute, but we're gonna get cute this weekend. But anyway, we are opening up something very special. I am opening up my Cricut. I got a Cricut Explore Air 2 smart cutting machine. So we about to bust this bad boy open, and we thought we'd share with you guys what's inside, how it look, and if you know what's all the hype about. I can't wait to see what the hype is all about. If you guys are interested in eventually investing in one, because you know Christmas is coming up and you can put this on your Christmas list, okay? So let's get into it. So like I said, I got the Cricut Explore Air 2 smart cutting machine. So what's inside?
Okay, well, today here we have we have the layout grid. So I'm assuming that this is where you like lay out your vinyl when you want to cut it out, when you want to get the correct measurements. I'm assuming, I believe. That's my
she know more about this than me. I'm not, I got enough on my plate, but so she been the one looking into it. So we gonna see if she we counted on her, y'all. Okay.
So here we have our weeding tool set. And basically weeding is where you once when you print out the vinyl, which is, and if you guys don't know what vinyl is, this is what vinyl, we have a red vinyl here. So once when you get everything on the grid and you print it out, you use the weeding tool to weed out the like your letters or your image of whatever you decided to get creative with. This is to basically peel it off and possibly do other things, but I just know that one for sure.
And by the way, all of this came in this box. I didn't buy this stuff. It came with the machine because I got like the bundle thingy.
So then this say it's a scraper and spatula. I'm assuming it's scrape and spat. So
wait, I seen somebody use this
to like
smooth it out. I seen that before.
As far as what the splat do, I'm not for sure. We'll get to y'all once when we get more research on it. Yeah, we have a big envelope.
What's in there?
I don't know.
Here we go. Shit, I'm glad they put all this stuff in here, because how much this stuff cost? They better have gave me some little extra stuff. This thing ain't cheap, y'all. This thing over $300. So if you want it, make sure you get it for Black Friday when it's gonna be on sale. Okay, because y'all know it's all about a sale.
It's some gold and silver foil, also with black and white. I'm not.
What is it? Is it more vinyl or is it paper?
Know. Let's open it up and see.
This is probably vinyl. See, they need to have more better instructions.
I think it is.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we should have did that first.
We just opened it up so you can see. It feel like it's vinyl though.
It's probably just regular. Yeah.
Cause it's
glossy.
This probably the glossy one, yeah.
So what's this one? Oh, this is like sticker.
Don't you know like how my water bottle? Don't you know how my
right?
cup
So this
is?
got adhesive maybe.
Yeah. So then we have the instructions.
Let's get started. You know, Black people don't read instructions. We
just go with the
flow.
We teach ourselves.
But no, we gonna have to though. We gonna have to.
So then this is the machine.
So I originally wanted like a black or a blue. That's what I really wanted, a black or a blue one, but they didn't have it. They only had this color. So this was the closest to blue I was gonna get.
Here's
what's that?
A
Sharpie?
Pen. The cord.
And this thing is huge. It's gonna take up so much space.
And then this is what's left inside. And this just the box. So let's get that out the way. Take off the safety pad.
Keep it looking new. Reuse this bag.
As y'all can see, they are really, you know, eco-friendly for the environment. They want you to reduce, reuse, recycle.
And this is not a promo or ad advertisement, okay? This is raw footage of us opening this.
Take off the protection. Look at that shine.
I only got this color because my sister like purple. Other than that, I would not have got this shit.
But okay.
I wanted a black or blue one, but whatever.
It goes
Maybe I
with
could
the blend in.
No, but okay.
I remove.
And it was on sale, so I felt pressured that I had to get it, you know? Maybe we should read the instructions.
Yeah, because it's more right here. Because I just want to open it up so I can finish the rest of the process. And also, we're, you know, guys, we're not completely winging it. We have our handy dandy circuit design space to give us.
So you gotta download the software on your computer, and then they also have an app that you can download software on. So I heard you can do like so much stuff with this stuff, like with this machine, but so far the ideas that I have, I'm gonna make stickers. And ooh, fancy.
Open up like a converter.
Fancy. So yeah, I plan on making stickers, but along the way I hope to learn new things that I can do and add for my business. So yeah, so all of this came with it, and then of course it's other stuff like at the craft stores, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, stuff like that. But I do know when I had went to the store, like this stuff was so expensive, y'all. Like this vinyl was so expensive. So let me know in the comments if you have a place that you go to get cheaper vinyl, because Joann's and them vinyl is so expensive, and then you can't even use like a coupon with this stuff, because it's separate. So you only have to wait till they bring their own coupons. So yeah, so let me know any suggestions you have for me for that. And also let me know what you use to use your Cricut for. I'm definitely open to hear ideas, because like I said, I want to create more services for my business. Right now I just got stickers and like business cards, stuff like that I plan on doing myself to cut in cost. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share with you guys, looking crazy and all, but y'all know I keep it real and like to show you guys how reality look, because nowadays social media always got everybody looking cute and perfect, and that stuff is not reality. But anyway, she about to plug it up, but I'm trying to see like what would be like a good spot to even like where to put it on this table. And I'm glad I did get this big on table, because our other table would have been
that motherfucker would have been
little.
Oh, I've been driving on this road too long. The motherfucker would have been dead to go.
It would have been so tight.
Over with.
So I'm glad I got this table. This is a table I got from Walmart.
You don't have to use this table for like when you are using the Cricut, and then just get all your other stuff out the way. So you don't have to just probably choose days where you want to work on the Cricut.
No, I'm going to keep it plugged up. I think that'd be best. But I just want to figure out what would be a good spot. Should I keep it in a corner or should I put it in the middle?
Yo, this shit is crazy. It's really drawing shit. What you selling tonight? The lips.
This week I will also be posting, because today is Thursday, October
22nd.
22nd. So this video was made today and posted today. So I plan on posting a beaded bracelet video on Friday or Saturday. So make sure you guys stay in tune for that because we about to slay. Okay, but like always, I appreciate you for joining the channel, coming and chit-chatting with us, and I'll see you next time. Bye.